sluicing in the stream. I didn't really design it for this, but it works pretty well. I had to build a wing dam out here, pretty big one, to get the water flow concentrated enough. It probably would have been better if I'd taken the spray bar off, but I didn't bother to. I just left it on there. And I've been running some pay dirt through it that I dug at a hole inside the stream over there. I've never dug in this spot before, so I don't know if I'll get much anything, but it's worth a try. It's fun. Fresh air, sunshine, beautiful place. So let's see what I get. This is what I got when I cleaned out the sluice. It's almost pure black sand in there. Just a few random rocks and some blonde sand. Gonna take a lot of careful panning to get the gold out of that without losing it. I better commence the panning. Okay, this is half of that black sand residue panned down. It took a lot of careful panning to get it down to this little bit. I'm getting better at panning out the black sand without losing the gold. Anyway, there's quite a few big pieces of gold there, and the black sand that's left is just loaded with tiny flakes of gold. I don't know how many of them are showing up on the video. Most of them I can't really see on the screen. I can see some of the bigger ones, but there's a lot of gold. I found a good spot now. Go pan out the rest of this stuff and see what's in it. Okay, this is the second pan and last of that material left over from cleaning out the sluice box. Now this has got a lot of gold in it. They say scraping the bottom of the barrel is a bad thing, but scraping the bottom of that bucket wasn't. I guess this stuff must have classified itself in the bucket a little. Most of the gold was in the bottom. Now this, recall this was just about a half a bucket load of material dug out from behind some rocks in the stream, classified down to a 1/4 inch with my classifier over here, and then run through the sluice, and the remains were about half a pan full of black sand, which I panned out in 2 increments just because the black sand is so tough to pan down. So let me go get some of the big gold out of there with my stuffer bottle and then pan the black sand down some more and see if I can get some of the fine gold out. Looks like I found the spot to dig.